Hello, how you doing? Sweet and sour salmon on the go today. Really, really simple. A few little ingredients to get the sauce together, but yeah, it takes no time at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're gonna get this sauce together first. So let's take a look. We've got 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of bell pepper, half a cup of tomato ketchup. You can also use something called banana ketchup. That's quite popular, depends on where you live. Half a cup of vinegar. You can see that I've got like over a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons actually, of ginger. Now I'm just using ginger. If you want, you can add some garlic to this. We've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light one. And here we've got 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Let's get moving with this. So I've just put the heat on, medium heat. We're gonna drop in the sesame oil. Gives it a lovely nutty flavor. To that we're gonna add the ginger. And like I said, I'm just using ginger today, but if you wanted, you could be putting some garlic in there. Cut that into little strips like that. And 1 cup of onion. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. So that's coming together beautifully. Now I'm going to drop in, you can do the same if you want. I've got 1 star anise. Now if you want to get some dried chili in there, we're going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper. And then we're going to add in the half cup of vinegar, the half cup of ketchup, and a couple of tablespoons of the light soy. We're also going to add 1 cup of water. And we're going to cook this now for about another 4 minutes or so on this medium heat, and then that's our beautiful sweet and sour ready. Nice and easy. So as that reduces down, it will thicken slightly. We're now going to drop our fish in. So look, here's my fish I'm using. I'm using salmon, the salmon fillet, skin on, about 3 cups in total. You can see the sort of size I've cut it, and because that's quite small, it's going to cook fairly quickly. So we're going to go for another 5 minutes. In 5 minutes time, that fish is going to be beautifully, beautifully cooked. Give it a stir every now and then. So I've just turned the heat up to high. And we're now going to get that cup of green bell peppers, and just for 2 minutes we're going to throw this around in there. I like a nice crunch on my bell peppers. Then it's ready to serve. If you wanted, you could also add some green onions in there chopped, or some cut similar to the bell peppers white onion. I'm just going to go with these guys today. Really simple, super delicious. Job done, really easy, really nice. Like I say, spring onions, green onions, scallions, whatever you call them on the top. Maybe a little bit of coriander or some sesame seeds. I'm leaving it completely naked. Looks beautiful, I love that. Hope you enjoy it, keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.